Three trending crypto projects, BlockDAG, Kaspa, and Blast, are making waves. But which one has the best shot at real-world impact and long-term returns? In this video, we're cutting through the noise and breaking it all down. Welcome to How to Literally, the channel that keeps it smart, simple, and scam-free. Today, we're comparing BlockDAG, Kaspa, and Blast based on technology, price predictions, and investment potential, so you can decide which one actually deserves your attention. Let's start with BlockDAG. Technically speaking, BlockDAG is a blockchain structure, not just a project. But projects like BlockDAG Network, known for its viral X1 miner, are using this structure to allow multiple blocks to be created and confirmed simultaneously. That means instead of one long chain, you get a graph-like structure which helps massively increase transaction speed and scalability. In simple terms, BlockDAG can process way more transactions at once than traditional blockchains like Bitcoin or Ethereum. This makes it great for things like scalable smart contracts, Web3 applications, and potentially even real-time financial systems. As for price predictions, BlockDAG Network is still in its early phase, but some analysts and early investors believe it could 20x within 12 to 18 months, only if adoption kicks in and the hype turns into real usage. In terms of investment potential, it's definitely high risk, high reward. If the tech delivers and the community sticks around, BlockDAG-based platforms could genuinely disrupt how we build decentralized apps. But keep in mind, it's still speculative. Now let's talk about Kaspa. Kaspa is one of the fastest proof-of-work blockchains in existence, and like BlockDAG, it uses a DAG structure, specifically the Ghost DAG protocol. The difference is that Kaspa is already live and running, with block confirmation times as fast as 1 second and constantly improving. It aims to be a more usable modern version of Bitcoin, keeping the decentralized mining model but removing the speed and usability limitations. Kaspa is focused on decentralized finance and scalable dApps, trying to offer a developer-friendly and fast alternative to older blockchains. In terms of price, Kas has already seen steady growth, and with consistent updates and more listings, analysts see potential for a 3 to 5 times increase over the next year. Investment-wise, Kaspa feels like a solid mid-cap contender. It's not as speculative as BlockDAG, but still has room for serious growth if the team delivers. Now on to Blast. Blast is a layer 2 blockchain built on Ethereum, and its standout feature is something called native yield. This means your ETH or stablecoins automatically earn passive income just by sitting on the Blast chain. No staking required. It's also EVM compatible, which means developers can easily port over existing Ethereum apps. Blast is targeting DeFi users and NFT projects who want fast performance and built-in rewards. It's been heavily promoted with airdrops and has strong early user numbers. Price-wise, Blast doesn't have a token listed yet at the time of writing, but when it launches, expectations are that it could do a 10x in a bullish scenario. Still, the long-term question is, once the airdrops are over, will users stick around? As an investment, Blast is exciting for short-term traders or DeFi fans, but it's not ideal for cautious investors unless it proves its staying power. So how do they compare overall? BlockDAG offers high speed, high potential innovation, but it's still unproven. Kaspa is fast, reliable, and already operational, offering a lower risk, moderate growth opportunity. Blast is full of short-term excitement, passive yield, and a strong airdrop ecosystem, but it still needs to prove itself beyond the launch hype. If I had to bet on the future of blockchain infrastructure, BlockDAG would be my moonshot. For something more grounded but still modern, Kaspa is a strong contender. And if I'm looking to jump on fast-moving DeFi opportunities, Blast could be fun, but only with the money I can afford to risk. Realistically, all three offer something unique. A diversified portfolio across them might make sense, depending on your risk appetite and timeline. Just remember, none of these are guaranteed wins. Do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Blockchain technology is evolving fast, and what seems promising today could change dramatically tomorrow. Each of these projects targets different needs in the crypto ecosystem, from scalability to user rewards. Staying informed and keeping an eye on their development updates will be key. It's also important to watch how their communities grow, as active support often drives long-term success. Volatility is part of the game, so having a clear exit strategy can protect your investment. Finally, don't get swayed by hype alone. Focus on fundamentals, real use cases, and strong teams behind the projects. Patience and disciplined investing often separate winners from losers in crypto. Remember, the best investment strategy is one that fits your personal goals and risk tolerance. Always be ready to adapt as the market changes. And most importantly, stay curious and keep learning. That's how you stay ahead. That's your no-nonsense comparison comparison of BlockDAG versus Kaspa versus Blast. Thank you for watching How to Little and see you in the next one.